Hello friends, I know you love our videos, so we have added captions in this video in more than 47 languages. Choose your favorite language and enjoy the video.
Hi guys, I'm Deepti. Today we will be talking about healthy fried food. I know it sounds pretty much impossible, but trust me, it's not. Definitely not with the Philips Digital Air Fryer. Let me show you what it looks like. This Philips Digital Air Fryer has a touch panel, 7 preset menu options, and consumes up to 1400 watts. It has a 4.1 liter capacity with rapid air technology, and it uses up to 90% less fat, which is a total win-to-win. It can be used to grill, bake, roast, and even reheat the food. In case you are occupied, it also has a keep warm function so you can enjoy a fresh hot meal whenever you want. The easy-to-use digital touch panel, 30 minutes timer with auto-off function, and temperature control of up to 200 degrees Celsius makes cooking with this air fryer such a smooth experience. The retractable 1.8-meter cord length makes for easy maneuverability so you can keep it at a good height without having to worry about it. The air fryer is very easy to clean and is dishwasher safe. It doesn't create or retain any typically oily odor. The cool wall exterior, ready signal, power on light, LED display, time control, and temperature control are some of its best features that make it the best appliance to be used at night when you are snacking secretly without having to disturb others. Now you can say hello to guilt-free indulgences with this air fryer by Philips. Introducing the Philips Digital Air Fryer HD9252 with touch panel. The Philips Digital Air Fryer comes with rapid air technology to grill, bake, roast, and even reheat dishes. It features an easy-to-use digital touch panel with 7 present menus and a keep warm function. The air fryer enables users to cook food to crispy perfection with up to 90% less fat. The functions include a 30 minutes timer with auto-off, temperature control up to 200 degrees Celsius. The fryer comes with a 1.8-meter cord length for easy maneuverability. The black air fryer measures 35.5 by 35.5 by 33.8 centimeters and weighs 4.54 kilograms. It has a capacity of 4.1 liters and is easy to clean. The fryer has a cool wall exterior with a ready signal and power on indicator. The box includes the air fryer and a user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.
If you have seen the video till this, then subscribe the channel and also like it.